our seeds, you are giving us our blessings, knowledge, and power, and every day be a great day in the United States. What's up, Thompson Gang? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see all the new videos. So today we're going to be doing the top 5 best vegan foods in 2020 that we made, and let's get to it. Number 1 is banana bread pancakes.
Alright guys, we're going to start with 7 bananas and we're going to mash them until they're well mashed. Now this is how the ending result is. I'm going to mash them a little bit more, but this is good right here. You want to get ripe bananas for this so they can mash easier. But once it's all mashed, then you'll go ahead and you'll pour in your milk, maple syrup, and your oil. Once you add all those ingredients in, you're going to mix it in. Then you're going to add your sea moss and go ahead and whisk that. You can use a whisk or you can use your fork, but you want to whisk it in well. Once you're finished whisking all those ingredients in, you will add in your flour. When you mix in your flour, make sure you mix in a little bit at a time so you won't get big clumps of flour in your mixture. Once you're done mixing in your flour, you're going to add your vanilla extract. And then add in your cinnamon. Then you want to mix it in well. Alright guys, now it's time to cook your pancakes. So you will get a pan, put a little bit of oil in it and get it hot. I just scooped a whole spoonful and put it in there with the spoon that I use. And I let it cook until bubbles form all around the pancake on top. Once the bubbles is all at the top of your pancake, you will go ahead and flip it over. And you will let that cook. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook the pancake on each side. But I also flip it over just to make sure it's done.
Number 2 is vegan burgers.
Now to start off these burgers, you're going to start off with some onions, peppers, and carrots in the pan.
Pepper. Nah, that guys, because they're going to be spicy.
And then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
While she mix it in. Mix it good, girl.
Okay, baby.
And then you're going to have 1/2 teaspoon of cumin.
Cumin.
Mama. Baby. 1 teaspoon of jerk.
Yolk.
Seasoning.
Seasoning.
Hey.
No, don't do it yet.
We're going to squirt. Okay.
That's enough.
It was like 6 squirts, guys. And put a little bit more oil in.
That's enough.
And a little bit.
Mama, it's not.
Alright, stir it up. Mama, chop oyster mushrooms.
No. Yeah. I need no. When I press.
Alright, now we're going to add in the zucchini.
Okay, that is right in the ground.
What do I always smell?
Mama, please. Oh, that question.
so you ain't even do it.
Guys, we're almost done.
I'm gonna pour the flat seasoning.
I'm gonna put flexies in there, guys. Let's get started. How do you verify?
Now we're adding the breadcrumbs and the nutritional yeast.
I help you cook, right? So you.
So I just added flour and put flour on the outer layer, and then now I'm frying it. So I am done now.
Put it in then, Junior. Number 3 is mac and cheese.
1/3 cup of butter. It's room temperature, so 1/3 tablespoon of flour. You'll add it in, you don't want to rush it. And make sure your stove is on medium and stir it in. You'll add in a whole bag of cheddar and a whole bag of mozzarella. I did the diet cheese. And let that melt. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken broth and more veggie broth. Alright, you'll add your seasoning, nutritional yeast, and you mix that. I'll put 1/3. Now we're gonna add our sea moss. 2 tablespoons. And turn the stove off. You can turn the stove off at this point. Just make sure. Season it to taste.
Number 4 is vegan ice cream.
We're going to start with the coconut cream, then add in your maple syrup and your soaked flax seeds and vanilla extract. You're going to blend until smooth. Once that's all blended in well, you're going to add it to a glass safe bowl that you can put in the freezer. You're going to pour your ice cream in and put whatever toppings you want and close that lid tightly. And once you do that, you're going to stick it in the freezer until it gets solid. Of course, we had the kids to taste it to see how it tastes. So here you go. Enjoy.
So let's try it. Try.
Deuce want to say prayer.
Blessings, knowledge, and power, and every day be a great day in the United States, the family.
How does it taste?
Like real ice cream.
Wait, what about you? Deuce?
Tastes like a little square.
100.
Oh, your grape sherbet is a 4?
It's a little too sweet.
Oh, it's too sweet.
It's too cold too. And last but not least, number 5 is taco bowls.
Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. A splash of paprika. A teaspoon of cumin powder. And a jerk. 1/2 tablespoon of complete. and a dash of pepper. Let's mix it up, Deuce.
One cup. Two cups.
2 tablespoons, Deuce.
Go and down. Yummy.